In the box, there's this long strap and a short piece that's called the sliding buckle. If you push the wings on the sliding buckle together, this hole opens up and then you want to stick this thing through. Okay, and then while you squeeze the wings, let it slide all the way until you can't anymore. Okay, now it's tightened and it's connected to this piece with soft padding. You want to put this part on top of the door. Okay, and then round the strap through the bottom of the door. So you want to make sure this and the sliding buckle are on opposite sides of the door. Okay, now we're going to push this end through the middle. And then come back through the bottom. Okay, then we're gonna start ratcheting. There's a button here you can release. It's ratcheting. Open big, close, open big, close. It's getting shorter, it's getting tightened. Okay, now this is really tight. We have the buckle on one side of the door and the sliding buckle on the other side of the door. And this is where you want to put the resistance band through. You can put the resistance band through this sliding buckle and you can adjust it up and down to the middle or to the bottom. Very easy to adjust.